Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how long it actually takes to upgrade the control console in Heartopia to level 3, by the way, and to then unlock this research like device. So you can get 2 when you've reached level 3, but it does take quite a while. So far I have researched 4 items, and it one of them was like 4 days. So I researched the hard candy trampoline, and like each of these items it takes 4 days to research, and you get 120 points from that item, as you can see here, as well as the donut trampoline. You get like 120 research energy, and basically it took me 16 days for only 4 items, and I still need to research more in order to get 1000 research points. It's going to, I keep saying points, research energy is going to take me forever. And basically I will need 520 more points. I'm researching these 2, which totals to 240 points, and it's going to take me an extra 8 days, so 24 days. Then I will need to research the one that gives you like the most points after the trampolines, not this one, the donut and the like candy one. Then you're going to want to research the simplistic phonograph and all of them. You also need quality timber and rare timber, by the way, for this. It's going to take 3 days per research, and it's going to give you 90 research energy, so an extra 9 days, so 24. It's going to take like 30 something days. All right, and then 10 more points needed. That's only like, I don't know how many points I've like counted so far. But after you've researched these phonographs, then you will need to research one more item. I suggest researching the 6-sided dice. It's going to take only 8 hours, and it's going to give you 40 research energy. So don't do the cash register one. So it's going to take 33 days. I think it's 33 days and 8 hours for you to reach level 3 of the control console. Yes. So yeah, it's gonna take you like a whole month to be able to finally unlock just a basic roller coaster track and a roller coaster car. I'm hoping the next level won't be as hard because we will have 2 research devices rather than just 1. But still, oh, I don't know how many points we do need for this one though. But it says 41 researchable items, 2 research devices here. So hopefully it's going to be a little bit faster so I can reach the big loop roller coaster track. But it's going to take a while, honestly. So see you like in, I don't know, like the end of this month maybe. I will get back to you guys when I've unlocked level 3. Yeah, it's gonna take a while, so stay tuned, I guess. And if you are willing to like use the research machine and unlock the roller coaster, just keep that in mind. All right, anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.